Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a PayPal account in Tanzania. First, ensure you have an active Tanzanian mobile phone number, a valid email address, and stable internet access. PayPal allows you to securely send and receive money internationally, making online transactions much easier. Getting your account set up is a straightforward process, and we will guide you through each step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go directly to the official PayPal website. Look for the Sign Up button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the page, and click it. When prompted, select the Personal Account option, as this is ideal for individual use in Tanzania. Then, accurately enter your active Tanzanian mobile phone number. This is crucial for the next verification step. After entering your phone number, you will receive a one-time verification code via SMS. Input this code accurately to confirm your number. Next, fill in your personal details, including your full legal name, date of birth, and physical address. Create a strong, unique password for your account, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, check your email for a verification link from PayPal and click it promptly. Now that your profile is set up, it is time to link a payment method. Log into your new PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you will find the option to link a debit or credit card. Carefully enter your 16-digit card number, the expiry date, and the 3-digit security code. PayPal typically places a small, temporary charge to verify the card, which is then refunded within a few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.